This video tutorial is going to show you how to take a test on Pupilpath in 3 short steps. This is your Pupilpath login screen. So you're going to continue login. What pops up is the dashboard with your schedule. On the left-hand side, you see an assignments tab. You're going to click on assignments. Next, you're going to click on all assignments. This is my U.S. history class, and if you notice over here on the right, I already have some assignments scheduled. We are demonstrating an online test today, so you're going to go ahead and click online test, and it'll take you to this page. Once the test has been scheduled by your teacher, you will see an option to click on begin test here. When you click on begin test, this is the screen that will pop up. When you are ready, you click on this tab. Your test will pop up on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side is where you input your multiple choice answers. So you scroll through the exam, enter your answer choices as you go along. After you finish this exam, you're going to look at the top right and click finish. You get an option to review your answers. You can change your answers on the right-hand side. You can save the test for later, but if you're taking it during class, this might not be an option for you. When you feel confident in your answer choice, you're going to click submit test. Are you sure you want to submit your responses? Yes, submit my test. And then you get your results. You automatically get your results, and you can see your answer choices and what you got wrong. And your test results will automatically appear in the gradebook. And this is how you take an exam on Pupilpath.